Cress may be tiny, but its punch is mighty. From its rapid growth to its powerful health benefits, this humble green packs more than just flavor into every leaf. Cress, a tiny, vibrant green plant, often overlooked in gardens and kitchen windowsills, holds a surprising amount of history and significance. Native to Europe and parts of Asia, it has been cultivated for centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Its rapid growth and easy cultivation make it an appealing choice for gardeners of all kinds, from the seasoned professional to the beginner looking for a quick harvest. Within a week of sowing its seeds, cress transforms into a lush carpet of leaves, ready for harvest. This fast growth is one of the reasons cress has been admired for generations, particularly in early spring when gardeners eagerly anticipate the first fresh greens after the long winter months. As one of the earliest spring vegetables to grow, cress has become a symbol of renewal and the promise of new beginnings. Cress belongs to the mustard family, a group of plants known for their peppery, tangy flavors, and it's no surprise that its leaves carry a similarly sharp taste. The leaves are small and delicate, but they pack a punch with their zesty flavor. This unique taste has made cress a popular addition to salads, sandwiches, and garnishes, where its freshness and spiciness stand out. It can be grown easily in soil or water, which makes it particularly accessible. Whether on a windowsill or in a small garden bed, it requires little attention other than regular watering and occasional trimming. With its shallow root system and fast growth rate, cress doesn't demand much space or effort, making it a perfect choice for those who want to enjoy fresh greens without the need for elaborate gardening techniques. Its ability to thrive in a variety of environments makes it a reliable and rewarding plant for any grower. Despite its modest size, cress is packed with a surprising array of nutrients that contribute to its value beyond the kitchen. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, iron, and folate, making it an excellent addition to a healthy diet. This nutrient density contributes to its use in traditional medicine, where cress has been valued for its purported health benefits for centuries. In ancient times, cress was believed to have medicinal properties, particularly for respiratory health. The volatile oils in the plant were thought to help clear mucus and improve breathing. Its high vitamin C content also made it an ideal remedy for scurvy, a common affliction among sailors in the past. Even today, cress is seen as a natural way to boost the immune system, support bone health, and promote digestion. Many people cultivate it not only for its flavor but for its health-enhancing properties, which make it an invaluable plant in both the kitchen and the wellness routine. The versatility of cress extends beyond its health benefits to its culinary applications. Whether in soups, smoothies, or as an accompaniment to meats and cheeses, its spicy bite adds a layer of complexity to a wide range of dishes. One of the unique qualities of cress is that it can be eaten both raw and cooked, though it's most commonly enjoyed fresh. The tender, young leaves provide a delicate crunch, while the mature leaves can become slightly tougher and more peppery in flavor. The seeds of cress can also be sprouted, adding another level of texture and nutrition to salads and sandwiches. Sprouted cress brings a fresh, crunchy element that enhances the flavor and nutrient profile of any dish. Its mild heat pairs well with many ingredients, from creamy cheeses to sharp vinaigrettes, and it can even be used as a garnish for a final pop of color and flavor. The ability to incorporate cress into both savory and sweet dishes further emphasizes its versatility, making it a valuable plant in any culinary arsenal. Cress has long been admired for its symbolism and significance in various cultures. In some traditions, it is seen as a symbol of prosperity and vitality, due to its rapid growth and abundance. In the Victorian era, cress was often used in bouquets and floral arrangements, where it represented a wish for growth and renewal. In other parts of the world, it was believed to bring good luck, and its use in various rituals, from New Year's celebrations to agricultural festivals, highlighted its connection to fertility and the earth cycle. The plant's ability to thrive in the harshest conditions and its resilience in the face of adversity mirrored the human spirit's determination to overcome challenges. Today, cress is still appreciated not only for its culinary and health benefits but also for its cultural symbolism. Whether as a garnish on a plate or as a symbol in a festival, cress continues to inspire and connect people with the Earth's natural cycles and the simple, yet powerful, joy of nurturing life. Whether you're growing it for its vibrant taste or its impressive nutritional profile, cress is a simple yet extraordinary plant that continues to surprise and inspire gardeners and chefs alike.